Anyway, this is a contract, and this is for Rations Canada. For 7 days, you were supposed to have 7 pounds of flour, 7 pounds of beef, or 4 pounds of pork, 6 ounces of butter, 8 ounces of cheese, 3 pints of peas, and a half a pound of oatmeal. That's per soldier. That's what was contracted. They would contract locally where they could. Some of it was brought from England, salted pork. You know, they brought salted pork. I'm sure these guys were tired of eating the salted pork. Most of the ships left from Cork in Ireland, went to New York. So if you were in Charleston, you had to wait for them to unload the stuff off the ships in Charleston, put it in the supply depots, put it on the ships, and send it to Charleston and Savannah. So Charleston and Savannah were literally on the rear end of the supply system. Shipping time from England was from 21 to 28 days, depending on the time of year, the weather, and everything else. And of course, during hurricane season, if you were basically south of Virginia, you might not get any shipments because ship captains weren't going to go into that area during hurricane season. That's part of what decided a lot of the battles in the Caribbean is the time of year. They didn't want to go in there during hurricane season and take a chance to lose their ships. If you were in the hospital, you got half rations. So if you're sick, you're already feeling weak, guess what? You're now getting a quarter pound of oatmeal. Women and children also got half rations. One of the biggest things we tell people at reenactments when they see the men cooking, and there are women in camp, and the British did have women with them. Why aren't the women cooking? Are you going to trust somebody you're only giving half rations to cook? Yeah, no. Now, each one of the tents was supposed to hold 7 soldiers. That doesn't mean 7 soldiers sleeping in there. It was 7 soldiers, 1 on guard duty, probably 1 on kitchen duty, and the rest of the 5 had to cram themselves in there, and the sergeant or the corporal would be the one on the back.